Welcome to the uncrating of your brand new Ally Armor G264HA. This high-performance laminator is built to work right out of the box, with no assembly required. It's as close to plug-and-play as it gets, and we're here to walk you through the quick uncrating process, so you can get up and running fast. Let's dive in. Start by detaching the top of the crate from the base using a wrench, socket wrench, or a drill with a wrench attachment. With the help of 4 people, carefully lift the top of the crate up and over the machine to fully expose the unit. Next, remove the silver protective cover from the laminator. Now, detach the machine from the base by removing the nuts and bolts securing it at the bottom. Grab the included metal poles and insert them into the fixtures located on the inside of the machine. These will act as lifting handles. With the help of 4 people, lift the machine off the base using the metal poles. Be sure to lift together and keep the unit level as you move it. Once the laminator is placed off the crate base, remove the metal poles from the fixtures. And that's it! The uncrating is complete and your laminator is ready for the final setup before operation. To complete setup, be sure to check out our quick start videos for installing the heating element, setting up the air compressor, and connecting the foot pedal. We've made it easy to get started so you can get back to doing what you do best. Thanks for choosing Ally Armor, your partner in productivity.